you're here, welcome to my channel. Today I have a Bolzano handbag subscription to unbox with you. I'm so excited to get into my Bolzano handbag. My last video was about handbags. It seems the topic for the past few days in my life is handbags, but that's okay with me because I do enjoy a great handbag. Bolzano Handbags is actually responsible for me changing my handbags out. Yeah, before Bolzano Handbags, I kind of wore the same bag over and over and over again. Anybody else out there like that? Bolzano Handbags has changed all of that for me. They send me a bag every month and it's a different color. It seems to match the season, different styles, but all of the bags are selected based on a style profile that I filled out. So they all have met my personal style and I really enjoy it. If you would like more information about Bolzano Handbags, I've left everything you need to know in the description box below. I also do have a code. It is Kelly Gift. If you use my code, and directions how to use it are also in the description box, you will get a free gift when you purchase your own subscription to Bolzano Handbags. It is so affordable as well. You can get a handbag subscription for under $44 a month, and I don't think you can buy any quality handbag for under $45. If you can, leave it in the comments because myself and my viewers want to know where you can do that. I tell everyone about Bolzano handbags because I have been so satisfied with the handbags I have received. Now, the owner of Bolzano Handbags, Leilani, does send the handbag to me for free in exchange for my honest review. She wants me to share her company and her products with you, my viewers, and I am happy to do that. And trust me, I'm really happy with the product. If you're new to my channel, I would like to welcome you. I sure hope that you will subscribe before you leave. Come back, join me for another video. We have a lot of fun here. Okay, let's get into the bag. Now, it comes like this in a poly mailer, and my mailman actually stuffed this into my mailbox. And normally they leave it on my front porch. So you can see we do have a ding. Hopefully the bag is okay. Bolzano Handbags always sends their bags in a dust bag to protect them. And oh, this is opening easily. I normally cut these just to speed up the video, but this is my Bolzano handbag and the dust bag that it comes in. And the dust bag does not look to be punctured, so that's good. There is always the little Bolzano ribbon, and this one says, "You deserve to be spoiled." Yeah, I kind of agree with that. Okay, what do we have? This is the bag. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. Can you see that? It's kind of a, oh, it's super soft. Wow. Oh, this, okay. Normally the information about the bag is inside, and this feels almost like the butter soft. You can see it. Look how pliable that leather is. It could be vegan leather though. Let's see if it says. Okay, so this is what the bag looks like. There are feet on the bottom of the bag. Can you see the stamped Bolzano logo there? And then we also have the Bolzano logo there on a chain. So it does have silver hardware. It has double straps. It also has an outside pocket, which I really, really like this outside pocket because that's where I put my cell phone. Let's take a look inside this bag. Okay. You know what? The camera is not picking this up, but this I think is actually navy blue, and my camera is making it look black, I believe. So, okay, this is what the inside looks like, and we do have some goodies. Aw, thank you. Thank you so much. What do we have here? Oh, silica. And you can get a subscription that is just a handbag, or you can add on some accessories and beauty products, and Leilani has sent me some accessories and oh, some jewelry. Look at that. You go, girl. And there is a jewelry pouch in there. And we do have some bubble wrap for the bag to keep its shape. And I do not see the information about this bag. So it does have a zip closure, and it is a really big compartment in there. It does have one zip pocket, and that's a really big zip pocket. Then there's slip pockets on this side. What is there, 2 slip pockets? Yeah, 2 slip pockets on this side. Can you see the blue? Can you see how it looks navy blue? I think this one is navy blue. And as usual, this bag does come with a shoulder strap. I think all my Bolzano handbags have the shoulder strap option, which I do not use, but it's nice to have that option. This is a gorgeous bag. So yeah, this is a really nice bag. This is a perfect size for me, and a nice darker shade as we're going into the winter, but it is navy. Whether you can tell or not, it's navy, which I like so much better than black. So I'm excited about this bag. Okay, let's look and see. You can see it's this is a leather card holder, and it says, "Go for it, girl." And ooh, we have some jewelry, and there is a "Go for it, girl" card in here. This says, "Carry this card as a reminder for everything you are capable of, all the things you can do to make a difference in your own life and that of others." Bolzano is making a difference during Down Syndrome Awareness Month by donating to the Down Syndrome Foundation. For information about donating, visit globaldownsyndrome.org. I'm going to leave that link in the comments below if you are interested in supporting that cause. This is a cause that is near and dear to the owner of this company. I recommend that you check out the Bolzano website and just check out the story behind this young lady that started this company. It is very motivating, and her story alone is what made me really want to work with this company and try her products. So check it out. It's very interesting and inspiring. Now let's look at the jewelry. Ooh, super cool. We got a ring in here. Let's see. Okay, this is an adjustable ring, and let me see. Okay, I'm gonna have to squeeze it up because it's kind of large. Maybe I should do it on this hand. Okay. There we go. Can you see that? Super cool, isn't it? In a silver tone? I really like that. Ooh, my hands. Oh, they're dry and old looking. But, okay, and it looks like we have a necklace here. Is this a layering necklace? I think this is a layering necklace. So nice. I like these circles. Okay, so there we have it. The layering necklace. I need to try that on. I don't know that it's really going to show up with this top, but okay, there we have it. Silver tone. Look at how sparkly that chain is. I love a sparkly chain. This is so much fun. Okay, and then next up, this is such a beautiful little package. And what do we have? Okay, it looks like it's something for my feet. And I don't know about you, but this colder weather, my feet need a little attention. So, okay. First up, we have some hand and body lotion. This is by Dawn Mist. This is like a little trial size. Okay. And, oh, this is cool. Oh my gosh, it doesn't stop. So these are some little slipper type socks, and these are really, really nice socks to wear with your flats so that you can wear some socks. And especially in the winter time, I like to wear socks with my flats, but these are kind of like no-show. There's a pink one, a black one, and a nude one. Great. The last product we have are silicone socks, and these are really nice. After soaking your feet, you put these on for about 30 or 40 minutes, and they just moisturize your feet. These are also reusable, if I am not mistaken, but these make your feet feel so moist and smooth and just regenerate your feet. So this is a very nice treat. So here's my new necklace, and I love how sparkly it is. I like the circles on this one too. I think it's a very unique design. It will look much better on a solid background or with a V-neck. And I did try the ring I don't wear thumb rings, but maybe I'm going to start. That's it. That's everything I received in my Bolzano handbag. This is so much fun. It is such a treat every month to get my Bolzano handbag. And speaking of treats, if you are looking for a special treat or a gift for a friend or a loved one for the holidays, you've got to check out Bolzano handbags. I can't think of one friend that would not appreciate receiving a high quality, handcrafted, luxury handbag from Bolzano handbags. And you can gift your friend with just one bag, or you can buy a subscription. They have 3-month subscriptions, 6-month subscriptions, or a bag a month. Can you just imagine how happy your loved one would be to receive a brand new Bolzano handbag every single month? Trust me on this one. It is a great feel-good feeling. So think about it. I can tell you that your loved one, your mother, your wife, your sister, your friend is going to think about you every single time they open their Bolzano handbag throughout the year. So I think it's a fabulous gift idea. And if you do not need gift ideas, if you're all set there, then hook yourself up with the Bolzano handbag. You won't be disappointed. Thank you so much for joining me once again. Thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Blessings. Blessings to all of you.